Alright guys, thank you for 225 views because, I wanted to show my appreciation. I mean, the channel's brand new. We already have 225 views. I think that's awesome. I wanted to review, as promised, Nordic American Tanker, its book value, its intrinsic value, what I think it's actually worth given the projected revenues and what it's trading at right now. So Nordic American Tankers 1.03 billion in assets minus its 435.48 million in liabilities brings its total to 594.52 million. Alright, so taking a look at the market cap, we can find the market cap is 753.82 million. We divide that by the price per share, which is 512 currently, and you can figure out that we have 147,230,468.75 shares currently in circulation. The book value that we just found, which is 594.52 million, we divide it by the number of shares with the intrinsic value of the company at trading at 4.038 per share. Now if we take the book value, which is the number of assets minus the number of liabilities, and we add that to the analyst projection of 580 million at their projected annual revenue, we come up with 1.174 billion. We divide that by the shares going through circulation right now, the current shares, and we come up with an appraised value at $7.97 per share given the projected revenue. Current liabilities for Nordic American Tanker are 59.03 million. If you minus that versus the company's total value, which we just figured out, we can figure out that the appraised value after the current liabilities is $7.57, approximately $7.60. We look at the appraised value of the stock and then divide it by what it's really trading at right now, which is 512, and we can figure out that the stock is undervalued, trading at around 67% of what it's actually worth. Going off of the 70% rule on assets, where you buy an asset at 70% of its intrinsic value, you can see that Nordic American Tanker trading at less than 76% of its intrinsic value follows the 70% rule. For finding the intrinsic value, I think that the stock is worth looking into if you just stumbled upon it. I don't think that the hype inflation on it is real, and although we've seen two major spikes so far in the stock, I think that it's still trading undervalued.